Alright, so I'm done putting the screws. I'll put the adhesive, and then I'm putting the back together so that I can tie them together now. What am I going to do next is bring my threads to be able to tie it together, but I'm going to have to power on, and okay, now that I've powered on, let's bring our threads and be connecting. Hi Joshua, why you want to find problems with me? I'm telling you not to click anything or press anything. Oh yeah. Don't be a bad child. Things I have to first teach you before you press anything. You may delete my work. Meanwhile, the threads. Alright, so the threads are here. I think if you watched me long enough, you know that I like them because they distribute the tension evenly. So I stretch them out a little as I am tying, such that when they come together, they have a really strong bonding force. Okay, so we are going in the longitudinal side. Right, this is a bit tangled up. Don't know whether I'll be able to untangle it, but anyway, you can still tie without it compromising. As long as it doesn't release, that'll be okay. So after putting these threads, we will then put it on the oven at about 40 degrees. Okay, it's more of a hot plate with a controllable temperature. Then put the face of the screen down so that some of the solvent in this rubber glue evaporates to accelerate the drying process, so that the client can at least roughly start to use it. Now that I'm doing this, I think I better put her SIM card tray back before I forget. And if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and feel free to send any queries that you might have. Perhaps I could make for you a video to help you with the issue. Okay, so I think that's it for now. Let me now lock it away. I wonder why they decided to put glass at the back. So let's put it in there. So when this is dry, the client will just pull that and unravel the threads, and also will clean up the excess later on. But let it first dry so that this one can be removed slowly. It can actually be done by the client. I use excess glue so that every surface that needs to be bonded receives a bit of it. So let me again try testing, and then that's it. So thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe, like, and share.